It's a nice piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, being cut out of a larger piece of rules and millimetres. Material was wetted to help show the colours. The white just seeing as a reflection of the lights, mainly up this part of the stone. It's nice pinks, reds, gold colours. Down here there's a little bit of colour but not as much, and then this needs to be cut off personally. Concentrate the colour. Reds are showing up there quite well, salmon pinks. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.